Good. The best Christmas celebration ever. My name is Amaya Augustus, 8779-071, Campus Neiva, Engineering Civil, Cooperativa de Colombia, Universidad Cooperativa de Colombia. Last Christmas, we met a neighbor. My mother cooked stuffed chicken for dinner. My father helped her to sort the meat, and my brother Manwai decorated the house with Christmas decorations. I organized the sheep, what were going to deliver it. My father wore blue jeans, my mother a red scarf. My brother I was sweater, I was dressed. We had with Christmas cookies, wine, party, and custard, the most traditional food of the town. Comparativos y superlativos. Christmas is shorter than we go like. San Pedro is sadder than Christmas. The good night is better than the night of grande. Going to for the following Christmas, we are going to meet in the town where my parents live. My older sister will travel from Neiva with her family, and my younger brother will get over the house for 10 minutes. My parents will cook the typical Christmas meals, and I will prepare again the gift that they will give this year. After Christmas, we will drink the wine and meeting, and the doll that we are all going to make will pour. We will eat candy, fritter, turkey, and Christmas cookies, and we will dress the sandwich mask, jumper, and red scarf. Thank you.